Get your horse. Get your horse.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Now how many animals do you have? Let's count your animals.
1.
Mm-hmm.
Number 1.
That's right, number 1.
And number 2.
Okay.
Number 2.
Number 2, okay.
And number 3.
Number 3, mm-hmm.
And number 4.
Number 4.
And number 5.
Number 5.
And number 6.
Number 6. So you got 6 animals, huh?
One animal.
Are there any more?
One animal. One animal. And that animal.
Okay.
I will.
Now how many animals?
1,
Mm-hmm.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 animals.
7 animals. Yay!
And more.